morning students. I am Himani Sudhar, your science teacher. Today I will discuss a new chapter. I will start a new chapter of class 7th. Name is plant nutrition. Plant nutrition means where plants synthesize their own food, where we nutrition derive food for our growth and development. Plants nutrition means any substance which plant take for synthesis of several substances like carbohydrate, fat, protein. In this chapter we discuss only plant nutrition, only nutrition of plant. Why nutrition be made usable for plants? Why the need of nutrition for plants and also living organisms? Okay, nutrition means taking food material, taking in food means taking of food for purpose. For which purpose? For purpose of complete our lifespan and receive energy. Receive energy is called nutrition. Okay, next we discuss on the basis of nutrition, which type of plants. First autotroph and second is heterotroph. Autotroph, auto means self, troph means nutrition. Only green plants are autotrophs. Only green plants are autotrophs. Why only green plants are autotroph? Because green plants having chlorophyll in their leaves. Because green plants having chlorophyll in their leaves, okay, are called autotrophs. Please write down this notes. Autotrophs. Auto means self, troph means nutrition. Green plants are autotroph because green plants are synthesize their own food themselves. Because green plants synthesize their own food themselves. क्योंकि हरे पौधे अपना भोजन खुद बनाते हैं. क्यों बनाते हैं? क्योंकि उनमें उनकी लीव्स में क्लोरोफिल होता है. इस वजह से these green plants are called autotroph. Okay, second type of nutrition is heterotroph. Second type of nutrition is heterotroph. Hetero means others. Troph means nutrition. Those plants which are depend on other plants, depend on green plants for their nutrition is called heterotrophs. Okay, those plants which are depend on others for their nutrition is called heterotrophs. Okay. On the basis of nutrition, there are two types of organisms: heterotrophs and autotrophs. Autotrophs are always green plants, and heterotrophs are other organisms like we also human beings and animals, because we cannot synthesize our own food, and animals also cannot synthesize their own food themselves, that is known as heterotrophs. Okay. Next is in which way green plants used synthesize of their own food. This is the only one unique way on the earth is called photosynthesis. Is called photosynthesis. Firstly, we discuss the term photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to synthesize. Okay. Photo meaning light, synthesis meaning to synthesize. In the presence of light, green plants synthesize their food. Is called photosynthesis. Like a green plant. Chlorophyll containing green leaves. Chlorophyll are present in green leaves of plants, and sunlight they taking sunlight and chlorophyll is present in it. Water and minerals is present in soil, and CO2 is accepted by leaves. Photosynthesis meaning chlorophyll containing green leaves absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide and water and mineral from earth and form carbohydrate. This is the main product of photosynthesis. And also release oxygen gas for our breathing, and also release oxygen gas to the environment. This complete process is known photosynthesis. Then we note down the term photosynthesis, and also note down equation of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll containing green leaves of plants in the presence of sunlight absorb carbon dioxide, water and minerals water and minerals to form carbohydrate. Is called photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen is released. Okay, this complete a term photosynthesis. This definition is complete the term photosynthesis. Okay, so please write down, students. Next, equation of photosynthesis. Equation of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water sunlight, chlorophyll present in leaf to form carbohydrate and oxygen. This is a complete equation of a photosynthesis. Okay, students. This is a autotroph green plants photosynthesis. This is a autotroph nutrition is completed by the green plants, green leaves or green parts of the plants, also like stem. Okay. So term autotroph is completed, and this is the only one unique process of photosynthesis which can occurs in only green plant. Next, second is heterotroph. Before heterotrophic plants, we also discuss chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a structure like this. When we see a cross section part of a leaf under microscope, we can see a chlorophyll in microscope like this. This is a cross section of leaf. We can see under a microscope. This dotted part of the leaf is show the presence of chlorophyll in the leaf. This dotted part, you can see this. This dotted part is a chlorophyll. Okay, is chlorophyll. Why chlorophyll is essential for green plants? Because chlorophyll is directly absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. Because only a matter, chlorophyll, is absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. Only green plants having chlorophyll, but in other organisms like human beings, animals and yellow colored plants having not chlorophyll, and they cannot synthesize their own food themselves. Okay. Next, we can discuss structure of stomata. Structure of stomata. before explain stomata, I can explain before you the term stomata. Stomata is a small opening in green plants. Stomata is a small opening in green leaves of a plant. What is the function of stomata? What is the function? What is the work of stomata? Stomata is a small opening that receive CO2 and release oxygen in environment, in atmosphere. They can transport CO2. They can taking in CO2 and release oxygen in the environment only in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, only in the process of photosynthesis CO2 is observed by the stomata. CO2 is observed by the stomata and oxygen is released by the stomata. Oxygen is released. This is the main function of a stomata. Okay. When we see stomata under the microscope, we can say this like that. This is gourd cell and this is a stomata. Okay. Gourd cell is surrounding the stomata, fully covered. When CO2 is entered in stomata, these gourd cells are opened, and when photosynthesis process is stopped, then gourd cell is closed automatically. Okay. So this is the structure of stomata. Next important question is arise from photosynthesis. Which is the food factory of plants? Food factory means where food is stored, stored or synthesized. Where is food is stored and synthesized? So what is the answer? Please tell me. Food factory in our homes. Which place is used for the preparation of food in our homes? Like kitchen, in homes kitchen. And in green plants, in plants, which is a place where food is synthesized. Food factory, which is a place, which is a food factory of plant. Answer is green leaves. Answer is green leaves, because chlorophyll is present in green leaves and photosynthesis or carbohydrate is formed in green leaves of the plant. So answer is green leaves. Which is the food factory of plants? Green leaves. Okay. Next. Firstly, type of mode of nutrition. First, autotroph, and second, heterotroph. Second, now autotroph is complete. Okay, autotroph is complete. In next video, I will explain heterotroph completely. Okay, so goodbye and take care, and carefully listen and understand this topic, and in next video we will explain before you heterotroph. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.